Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically delete apps on your iPhone home screen. So for instance, you cannot delete it. You are going to go to screen time here. You're going to go to content and privacy restrictions. Then you are going to select iTunes and App Store purchases. Go to deleting apps here and press allow. For instance, if it's on, don't allow. You're obviously going to select allow so you'll be able to delete apps on your home screen rather than like placing it in the library and then deleting it there. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Goodbye.